Hi, my name is Kunal Raj. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate System Software and Compiler Lab exercise number 7, Predictive Parser. So in this, we have to generate recursive, non-recursive predictive parsing for a given grammar, and then you have to simulate using Java. So this is the Java code for generating predictive parser. So first of all, here I have included Java buffer reader for reading from buffer, and then input stream reader for reading from stream, and then array list, and then scanner object. So inside class, first we have declared character array protected, and then two integer variable top and size, and then inside we have an array stack function, so that will be stacking the input. Will be creating a stack of input inside this function using this function. So we'll have size equal to 20, then array equal to new char size. We'll declaring array and initializing the size. Initializing the size is 20 here. And then we have push to push inside the array. And then if top plus 1 is greater than equal to size, then you have to throw index out of bound exception. Otherwise, it will terminate the program. And if it is less than size, then we are ready to go, and we'll just increment the top, and then we'll initialize the value with I. And for pop, we'll just decrement the top, and then we'll display. For display, we'll just start from I to top. We'll start from top, then up to from top to 0, then we'll just decrement, and then we'll print the values here. And here I have main class, and inside main class I'm declaring a string, 2D string called transition, and inside I'm declaring the size. Its size is 20. Then here I'm having two array list here, and then we'll start from buffered reader br equal to new buffered reader new input stream. Then we'll just ask please enter the number of terminals. The terminals will be entered, and then since it will be in string, it will be converted to integer using integer.parseString. Then please enter the number of non-terminal. Likewise, we'll enter starting terminal order. Like this, we'll enter all the information. After that, a for loop from 0 to alpha set is. Then we have alphabets of I equal to br.readLine, and then we'll give new memory using new, and then inside that we'll have a for loop from I equal to 0 to alphabet set, and then alphabet.add alphabets I. Then we'll have please enter all the non-terminals simultaneously. So whatever we have, the non-terminal will enter it, and all those non-terminals will be included, will be entered using the for loop here and here. And then this is the part where the entries in the rows will be included. So it is asking for epsilon use @. So instead of epsilon, @ is used. Now please enter the row entries for transition table. So using this part, the entry, the information inside it will be entered. So as you can see here, the values will be initialized to integer int1 or predefined value here, and then we use 2D array to enter all the information inside it. And then now the input is given to parser, and your input with $*. So instead of dollar, we are having $*, hash, $#. And once these two characters are given, the input will be finished. And then we'll using stack push and pop, we'll just push it into the stack. And if the hash is at last, if it is not there, if hash is not there, we just have to increment and give the value to the character array here. So we'll write here char1 equal to the input dot caret index, and then we'll do the same thing for char2 here also. We'll just pop it here. And then for checking if we have if the value of transition index to index 1 that we have, it's equal to null, then we'll just give given string is not accepted, otherwise it is accepted. We'll just break it. And then here we'll have If the string is accepted, this part will execute. So if input dot char at index minus 1 equal to dollar, if there is dollar on the left side and the right side, that is, if the dollar is there, if dollar is only left on the input part, and if the dollar is only left on the stack part, then parsing completed successfully. And then it will ask the user, do you want to continue 1 or 0? If the user will give 1, it will again go inside, and if the user will give 0, it will terminate, and here the program will end. So once we run, these all are the input that the program is asking, and the number of terminals, number of non-terminals, starting all the terminals simultaneously. So all the terminals will be entered here, all the non-terminals will be entered here. So here productions are provided. So once we enter the production using like e gives ta, like that, we have to give the productions in terms of arrow mark. So after entering the production, the table will be generated here like this, and then we'll give input to the parser. So for example, in this grammar I'm giving input as a plus a star a. So this is the input, and this is how the parsing is done. So once we are getting dollar and dollar here, it will say parsing completed, and we want to continue at the end. So thank you for watching the video.